Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back my channel. In this video, I present to you garden decoration idea. So first of all, colorful pots and bird houses. Container gardening doesn't have to be boring. Here, painted bird houses and DIY planters echo the colors of the flowers to create one gorgeous display. Ladder may have been invented to give you a step up, but they also serve as rustic plant shelves. Stuck terracotta pots filled with hair and flowers on the step of an old ladder for an easy and ease to vertical space. Hanging flower baskets are perfect for a small gardener as they add color and greenery to your garden or deck without taking up ground space. You can take advantage of overhead space and add fun details to your garden with colorful and stylish hanging plant baskets.